Hi all, it's Teresa. Well, I love doing acrylic paintings. I wanted to show you another acrylic painting that I did last year. And this is an acrylic painting that I actually started from an oil painting that I bought just for the frame. So the oil painting was on canvas and I started painting over most of the painting to just use the canvas actually for my own painting. And what I did here was I wanted to reimagine my childhood home. This is a depiction of the house that I grew up in on the East Coast in the United States. And the neighborhood did not look like this at all. But I wanted to reimagine it. There was definitely not a pond. This is the neighbor's house, and I always loved the vintage charm of that house. So I wanted to include that too. So please enjoy this painting progression. And if you like this video, can I ask you to please give it a thumbs up? And thanks for watching.